Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do your first page using ASP. We are going to start Visual Studio. That's where I try to go. We are going to start selecting new project. We are going to use MasterPages, so we are going to select web application using MasterPage web application, and we are going to name it. For example, I'm going to name it tutorial. Then what we are going to get is this, so I will give a right click and I'm going to add a new folder. I'm going to name it CSS. There I will create some styles for our page, so I will a web form, a new element, and I'm going to select master page. I will name it tutorial. Okay, and we will get this. So right now I'm going to start with adding our style sheets. I'm going to name it CSS. I don't know what's happening. New element. I'm going to add it from here. Okay, so I will continue creating a new folder. Add a new folder, and I'm going to images. So I will start with this. First of all, you have to drop your CSS page to your master page in order to get the styles that you have programmed in the CSS file. So go first of all, that's the body. You can style it, but you need some things like you will need a menu. I work with divs. So I will create a menu container, and our link. So what else? I'm going to select my background. You can add it using background color and press this, and you can select your background here, but I will use an image, so I'm going to add it. New, select an item here. I'm going to select this image, and right now I'm going to write background image, and URL as and I'm going to drop this image here. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to save the changes, and that's all that I'm going to do for my body. So that image will be placed for the background. Right now I'm going to start with the menu. I'm going to give a width of 100.5% of width, and with the height I'm going to do it for 80 or 60 px. Okay, I need a margin top of less than 10 px. That's okay. I need a background color. I will select this, for example, this color, but with some opacity. Then, oops, that was from here. Okay, we are going to test it. I'm sorry. I'm going to place me here, so I will write a header. In the header I'm going to make a div, and I will search the ID that is menu. I'm going to write menu, and it will take the properties I have code here. So right now I'm going to add a new element, and I'm going to select a web form using MasterPage. Web form using MasterPage. I'm going to name it index. I'm going to select our MasterPage. You can use more than one MasterPages, and you just have to select what the master page you want to use. I'm going to set them as the main page. Where is it? So yeah, I have to select our page. I'm really sorry. So I'm going to select as the main page. So I'm going to run it and see what happens. Okay, and I got this. So as we see, we have little margin here, and I'm going to solve it. I'm going to stop it, and I will add a margin left. I'm going to do it this, and I'm going to refresh our window. Okay, then we have this. So I will add some more width to our page, that 8%. I will save the changes and refresh our page again. Oh, it didn't work. It's 101%. Let's see what happens. Okay, we have this, but there's a problem. We have this, the bar. So I will solve it, giving a less width, like 5%, 100.5%. I'm going to refresh our window, nothing happens. 3%. Okay, that's okay. There's no white space here, neither here, but it seems that our background color is not here, and I will try to solve it, adding 2 dots. I will refresh your page. It didn't work, so I will do it like this. It may work. I always get confused with that signs. So right now, as you see, we have our background here. So I will continue. I need a menu container to contain our menu. I will add a width of 100 px. I'm sorry, 1000 px. A height, I need almost the same height as the menu, so I will add 50 px. Then we need a margin right and a margin left. I will add an auto for the margin right and for the margin left too, in order to center our width. So I will start. Okay, I think it's all. For adding more style to our menu, I will add a shadow. I will do it like shadow box. No, it's box shadow. I will select 3. I will try with 3 px, 2 px, and 1 px. Black, I think. We'll see what happens. So you see, there's more style. It seems too much different. So right now I'm going to start with this. Oh, I will start with. So we're going to select a font family. I will use Cambria. I'm going to give a float. I think I can add this here. Float. We'll select left. Oh, you can use display, the inline block. I need a font color. It will be white to contrast with our with our background color. It will seem great if it's white, I think. So I think I need a font size. That's here. Font size. I think 24px will be great. Okay. I think that's all. So I'm going to select our tutorial.master. In the menu I will create another div that will be containing our real menu. So I will name it, I will call it, that's it, menu container. I'm going to copy and paste it. It's easier. Oops. Okay, menu container. So now I'm going to start with the nav. In the nav we're going to select UL, then the list of the menu. So I'm going to write home. I'm going to write another list, and about. I'm going to follow. I'm going to add another list. You can do whatever you want. You can write wherever you want. You can do how you want to make your menu. Follow orders. I will. Okay, we're going to see what happens in our browser. I'm going to refresh the window, pressing F5. Okay, we got this. As you see, we have displayed in line our menu. I'm going to give a margin. Give margin left. I'm going to 15px. So now there's a margin from home, from the list, home to about and follow and orders. I will center it. I will text align. I think I can use text align and center. It didn't work. So as I see it didn't work, I'm going to delete it, and our menu is not too big, so I will write I think I need 500px. So I'm going to save the changes, and right now it's in the center. Okay, we got this. Right now I'm going to create a container for our text. Container. I'm going to give a width. I need that a width of, right now I will write 1000px. I need a height auto, because when you start writing a page, you can use a lot of space, you you cannot control that the height of the container. I need a background color, and I'm going to select, I don't know why, but I like gray, so I will write, I will use a gray with a little bit of opacity. I need margins too. I need a margin right in order to get to keep the width, the div and center. We'll just write auto. Okay, I think it's all. Well, I'm going to write here. You have to be sure that you have placed before the content placeholder to add this div. So this is the opening tag of this div. I will keep this. Okay, I'm going to place it here, so I am sure that when I write in the master page, in the page, I'm sorry, my text will be just, I'm going to be sure that my text will be placed here in the container of the page. That's a placeholder, so I'm going to get the ID, and that's container. I'm going to copy and paste it, container. So right now I think it's almost okay, so I can start writing in my page, not in the master page, in the page. I will use H1 as a topic. Hello world. I will refresh our page. So right now, as you can see, we have this. It will be the div will increase its height while you start writing. I will give a style for this H1, and I'm going to do it from here. Style, I'm going to select a font. I need the font to be the text to be in the center, so I will select text align center, and I'm going to give a white color white. You can also write after 3 F's for a white color, this FFF. So I'm going to save the changes and refresh. That's it. Hello world. Okay, as you see, there's a space here. I will solve it, giving a top here, margin top. I will select 20%, 20 px. Okay, that's it. So I will style it with the borders. You can use here in the container border radius 10 px, and it will seem great. As you see, there's more style. I really don't like that gray. I will select another gray to be like this, but I think that here that's okay. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to select me here. I'm going to those are BRs, if you want to call them. You see the call. You can do this BR. That's like if you're pressing enter, so it will be bigger or width. It will increase its height. So as you see. So another thing I would like to add is a zeta index for my menu, to keep always my menu. I will start zeta z index. I'm sorry for saying zeta. I think it's, I don't remember if there are pixels or something like that. No, there was pixels. I don't remember how to write this. Oh no, I'm going to write a position. I think it's fixer, position fixer, and I will take this. As you see, you can move. You can in order to keep the divs separate, you can add more margin. So in the container, I will a margin top of 80 px. I think this menu will need less margin top, because we need, I'm going to show you. As you see, there's a needing of less margin top for my menu. So I will select 90%, 90 px. I'm really sorry. Oh, that's great. So I will you can scroll in the page and continue keeping your menu here. For the links to the pages, you can use href, and you can select an URL. I will select index, and I will start home. I don't know if it will get a different style. Yeah, it got a different style, but you can fix it. You can fix it using I don't know if it's not correct, but I used to do this to keep in the style. It gives a warning, but it really works. So you see, you get to the index page. I will create another page. I'm going to create a new element and use a form that use. I'm going to leave it the name as it is. So I'm going to select. So right now we have this. I'm going to add a title again, H1. It works. Again with a style. You can add these all these styles to the CSS just like this, H1, and you can select text align that center and color white. Color white and font family Cambria. You can use like this, and you will get the styles for every page you are using if you have selected the master page. So I will refresh as it may change. As you see, it changes. So I have the home. Going to place myself here and write href and select our our form that is going to use, that you're going to use. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing. I think it's not okay because it's not great to get some warnings in our page. I will just write hey. I'm going to refresh the page, and as you see, there's not a link, neither here, but we have links here and here. So I will select hate. Oops, there's sometimes Visual Studio gets a little bit mad. We have to do this. It's okay. I don't know why that's what's wrong with it. So as you add more text in the page, the width of the page will increase. But if you add just a little text, for example, if you hey, my name is, and your name, I recommend you to take the margin button to of the width to like here. So you can use the BR. I will teach you, for example, from BR, and like this. Oh, I can do this. As you see, it's increasing its height. don't know if it's correct to do that, but I do it. Okay, it's just okay. I think 2 more. Okay, so that's it. I will leave you the code in a blog, so you can just paste it. I don't recommend it to to just paste copy and paste code. Thank you.